Now let's move on to class. So last class what we discussed? AWS. Last class what we discussed? What is state file and what state file contains, right? Anyone any doubt? That is in today we'll see that continuation done. Now, so mostly interview they are asking, so what is state file? What state file contains? So what is the state file? What state file contain? Anyone? Already you know, right?
Real-time infrastructure
Infrastructure.
information.
Real time infrastructure information it contain the state file. So, but the state file mostly we are maintaining some right remote or anyone. So that is a repository or remote. We are maintaining so remote. So here main concept is mostly locking. How to make our state file is locking. Suppose if everyone they are maintaining the same code, right? Same code means we need to access multiple people. How we can access that is the whole story, right? State file is nothing but this is the persist state data to keep track of your resource. It manages. Where it is? It's not coming. So in real time, how it is working? So multiple people working parallel, right? So if multiple people working parallel means, so yesterday we discussed, so how it will work and all. Locally, I manage something. How it is working? That is multiple people working means, for example, so local state file. Every mission has which state file? Local or remote? Every resource, which file they are containing by default? Local state file, right? Local means this is your mission. This is your local. So currently I am using this one, right? Currently I am using this one. So if I am using this one means where is my state file? This is the local or remote?
Local.
This is the local only. But real time, everyone has one local file. But everyone has modifying same file, same script we are updating. But how we can make it as said locking mechanism? I understand. అర్థమవుతుందా? మన రియల్ టైంలో దిస్ ఈజ్ మెయిన్ రైట్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ దిస్ ఈజ్ ద స్టేట్ ఫైల్ జస్ట్ అజ్యూమ్ దిస్ ఈజ్ ద స్టేట్ ఫైల్ సో హియర్ మెయింటైనింగ్ terraform. What is the default name? What is the default name? Terraform dot tf state. This is the default file name. Now here I am going to create one instance. Currently I am going to create one instance. Just assume what is my script. Here I am going to do one script. Here I am going to create one EC2 instance, or we are creating so S3, or we are creating VPC, something, anything. This is my real world infrastructure. This is the real world infrastructure. So just I am going to create one EC2 instance. This is our Terraform script, right? We are going to create so EC2 instance. EC2 instance or VPC. These are the resources. VPC, whatever you want. Okay. So security group, blah, blah, blah. I'm going to create it. So state Terraform state.tf file means the real world infrastructure information available here only. So here we are working multiple people. Just assume he is the one developer, and so We all are DevOps engineers, right? We all are working same project, same script only. Same project also, same script only. Same project, same script. So just assume I am the one resource or I am the one admin guy or anyone. I am the admin one now. So he is the admin one and I am the admin two or admin three, anyone, whatever it may be. Three people working or four people working parallelly. Many people. Now how these people handling this state file? See here Hamanta. Okay. Here Subbu. Hmm? Here Rama is working parallelly. All are working so parallelly. Now every mission is different, right? Or everyone using same mission? Just try to understand. Clear? Hello? Am I audible? You respond.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now everyone working the same mission or everyone using different mission? Real we are using. అందరూ ఒకే మిషన్ వర్క్ చేస్తామా రియల్ టైంలో? ఒకే మిషన్ అంటే ఒకే ల్యాప్టాప్, ఒకే డెస్క్టాప్.
No,
నో
sir.
రైట్? నో, everyone has so separate laptop or separate desktop. So every mission we has local state file. ఇప్పుడు సేమ్ స్క్రిప్ట్ ని మీరు మాడిఫై చేసి మీరు అప్డేట్ చేసి నాకు ఎలా తెలుస్తుంది నా లోకల్ ఎలా అప్డేట్ అవుతుంది? ఇప్పుడు హేమంత్ మాడిఫై చేశాడు, హీఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు రన్ ద స్క్రిప్ట్. అండ్ సేమ్ ఏ సుబ్బు ఉన్నాడు, సుబ్బు మాడిఫై చేశాడు లోకల్లో, సుబ్బు గోయింగ్ టు రన్ ద స్క్రిప్ట్. బట్ yesterday I shown right how lock is working. I am in same mission but I am using two console. But real time I am work from home, you are in office, you have different mission, I have different mission, I am in different location, you are in different location, but all are updating same script only. All are updating our project Terraform script. But how to make this as stateful? Clear? If multiple team members working in same project and so we cannot update same file, right? If everyone is maintaining local so state file, we cannot update same file these three people. Correct? Anyone any doubt here? This is a basic point, right? So now what we need to do, we need to make it as one central location. ఇప్పుడు దీని ఏం చేయాలి, నేను ఒక సెంట్రల్ లొకేషన్ ప్లేస్ చేయాలి. Now I am going to keep it in central location. So that is nothing but share location or central location. నాకు అందరికి కామన్ గా ఉండాలి. దట్స్ ఇట్. దట్ ఈస్ మై target. So we need to store this state file in shared location or common location. So now if I maintain this is in one location, now everyone can access same file, right? You got it? అర్థమవుతుందా అర్థం కాలేదా?
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now so if you want to maintain shared location and central location, so here we are going to use a concept here we are going to use so there is one more right, the terraform block. Under terraform block right, that is version and all AWS which cloud we are using. There is a one more thing, there is a backend concept. Here we are going to as a backend. Okay, so here we are using so backend concept. So Terraform, if you go here, as of now, this is a version, right? There is a Terraform block, correct? This is the Terraform block. So as of now, I am using a required version and required provider, and I want to make it as my file one shared path, or I am using here. Here I am going to use S3 AWS S3. Here I am going to configure AWS S3. This is a on cloud, right? So from this cloud location, everyone can access. These three people, they can access same file and they can modify. And here we are going to make it as a so lock mechanism. If Subbu is Hemant is running, okay. until Subbu task is completed. Subbu task is completed. It won't allow to remaining people. For example, Rama is running my script first time. Okay, all are running same time only. But who is first? At least 1 second they are press the it button, right? Based on this, until unless Rama task is completed, it won't allow these two people. For example, first Hemant hit చేశాడు. Until unless Hemant task is completed, it won't allow to these two people. Or else real time, this is very, very difficult to handling. Concept clear or not?
Yes, sir.
So if two or more than one people, if more than one members running Terraform at the same time, మనం ఎవరు హిట్ చేస్తారు అట్లీస్ట్ మిల్లీ సెకండ్స్ ఆల్సో గ్యాప్ ఉంటుంది కదా సెకండ్ కానీ ఒక మిల్లీ సెకండ్ అండ్ బేస్డ్ ఆన్ దిస్ సో ఇట్ విల్ సో ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ లైక్ ఇట్ ఈస్ రేస్ కండిషన్. Okay, now same thing I'm going to implement the in S3 bucket. Same thing I'm going to implement the S3 bucket. So here what we need to do, extra I'm going to add in Terraform block. What is the content? So I'm going to configure, I'm going to add this one. I'm going to add, so S3 bucket. I'm going to add S3 bucket. And to make it as our file stateful, I'm using so DynamoDB. We'll see practically how it will work. Now go to here. So I hope you got some idea, right? Why you go for shared location and central location. Clear, Subbu?
Yes,
S1.
sir.
Clear? This is very, very important. Okay. Now, same thing we are going to implement. This is my script. We can take anything. That is your wish. Whatever you be. I am applying same thing only. So this is my instance. This is my instance. What is my instance? This is the resource. This is the variable. I am using both. And so where is my versioning? I think this also correct only, right? I am adding here. Okay. So now if I run my script, so in my mission, we are maintaining our state file. Already you know, this is my state file. This is my, this is the real world infrastructure. It contain so real world infrastructure. Then our cloud లో ఏ information create చేస్తారో, so that information it is stored into the here. Clear? Now, so go to here version. Now these are very simple only, and how to configure. So even if you try in chat Google or chat GPT, so they will give everything. They will give syntax and all everything. Okay. Now see here. So these are the Terraform, and what is this backend? And backend name we can give. Which backend type we can use? So Terraform support. So S3 is backend type. It will support. Now, so I'm going to add same thing. I'm copying same thing only. I'm copying same thing only. Now go to here. Go to here. Where is my script? This is my script. Clear? Anyone any doubt? Now I'm going to add here. Now I'm going to add. So here backend. Backend. What is the backend name? Which backend we are going to use here? S3.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Which backend? S3. Okay. Next. This is the key name. Key name means your state file path and the region. Which region you want to maintain and what is the bucket name. So let me create one bucket name. I hope everyone know, right, how to create bucket in S3. So first go to S3, just create one bucket, S3 bucket, and so just create one bucket. Create bucket. And so general purpose bucket name. This should be in queue global wise. Okay. This is my Terraform. Okay. Dev bucket. Whatever you want. This is Terraform bucket. Whatever you want, we can give it. This is your wish. Terraform bucket, I am giving. Any name, we can give it. And next, what is this and all? Okay. Next, this and all. Okay. Now enable the versioning. Enable the versioning. First, come to here. I am in which region? Mumbai region. But now I am connecting which region? My script. I give an access key, secret key, right? Which region I configure? This access key, secret key related to which region? US
Yes,
East
sir.
1. I need to go to switch that region. Otherwise, it won't work. Now, copy this bucket name, Terraform bucket. Go to here. Go to North Virginia. North Virginia. First, create one bucket. Okay. See here, US East, North Virginia. Okay. And what is the bucket name? I am giving a Terraform hyphen bucket. We can give any name, guys. This is your wish. But it should be unique global wise. Okay. Now, so this and I'll leave it. Just enable the versioning. Enable the versioning means version is the means of keeping multiple variant of an object. So versioning means if you modify anything, every modification it will maintain one versioning. Enable that's it. Remaining story same only. Leave it. No need to change anything. So just try to create. If it is unique means it will create, or else it will get error. Create bucket. Bucket is created. What happens? Hmm? See bucket name already existing. Terraform hyphen bucket hyphen dev hyphen bucket I given. Okay. Now create it. Already existing. Okay. Terraform hyphen bucket. I'm giving 2025. Okay. Create it. Now bucket is created. Failure to create bucket. Specified bucket name already. Oh, bucket. S3 bucket. Create bucket. I'm giving long name. Okay. So bucket name Terraform. Okay. Hyphen class hyphen dev hyphen bucket. Again, let me check it whether it is available or not. Which region? Virginia only. North Virginia. Okay. Enable versioning. That's enough. Bucket version enable. Create bucket. Okay. Bucket is created. Now we know, right? What is my bucket name? This is my bucket name. Refresh bucket. Where is bucket name? Click on it. So buckets, this is my bucket name. See here, which region it is created. Copy this bucket name and go to here. Where is our script? What is the bucket name? I given bucket name. Next region. Which region you want? Where I created this bucket? Anyone? Which region? US
Yes, sister.
East one. Next update this one also. Okay. Now what is the key? Where you want to store your key? Terraform.state file. That is the target, right? We want to maintain our state file, so S3 bucket. That's it. Now, under this bucket, I am creating one more folder. How to create folder? So there is one more create folder. Just assume this is for dev purpose, development. Development. and whatever name you can give it, that is your vision. Okay, create it. Okay, so now what is my folder name here? Go to here, go to here, bucket name, click on this, and what is my bucket name? Development. Okay, so copy this one. Okay, copy this one and go to your script, just paste it. Slash, which name you want to store? What is the default name? State file name. Name, location of your state file. I want to store my state file here. And which name? What is the name? Default file name. Terraform dot tf state. Anyone any doubt guys here? I hope you understand, right? Clear? Yes or no? So I am configuring backend. Enter also many people they are asking what is backend. So backend should be configured which block? Resource block or provider block or Terraform block? This is the provider block. This is the Terraform block. And we have one more, right? What is that? This is the resource block. So Terraform block, so Terraform should backend should be configured which block? First question. Which block?
Terraform.
Terraform block lo configure చేయాలి. Next, what are the arguments we need pass? See here, I passed. Where is this? Instance. Wait, where it gone? Let me open Terraform versioning editor. So here I configure. This is not specific our understanding only. So key is nothing but where you want to maintain Terraform. Your Terraform.state file where you want to maintain. So under I want to maintain and which region you want to. So this is and what is the bucket name. That's it. Clear? Anyone any doubt guys? Very very important. Clear? Hello? Yes or no?
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now I'm deleting these two backup file, Terraform state file. Okay, now I'm running same script only. Already you know, right? So in this script, what it is going to do? It is going to create only one resource. That is the EC2 resource. That's it. Enough. Only practice. Anything same only. Nothing. CMD. What is the first command? Terraform init command. Now go to here. Meantime. So now see here. Now under this. Sorry. Hmm. Under this, so any state file is available right now? No, right? Development. This is the folder name. This is the bucket name. This is my folder name. So do we have any file?
No, sir.
No. Now what is the next? What is this? No valid credential source found. Credential wrong at. Okay. Copy this EC2. I'm copying this one and go to here lifecycle destroy and versioning edit is it. Okay. Now try to run it. Terraform init. Failed to refresh cached credential. I am role ID. Anyone deleted my user ID? Credential. Who is accessing? Maybe Sar only. I think. Hemant? నేను delete చేసావా? Hello? Hemant is available or not? Okay, let me
He is
create
not
one
there, sir.
user. Let me create one user. How to create user? IAM. Go to IAM. First check it. Users. Where is I am using DevOps user. User is available. 57 days ago I created. Click on this. Credentials. Credentials. Already undi. So access key and secret key available. What is this? MCC. Correct only, right? MCC correct only. US East one. What it is doing? Failure to refresh cached credential. EC2 IAM role operation. Exceed maximum number of attempts. 3. Request send fail get what attempts. Let me delete. We are only destroy file also anything. Terraform. 3 attempts are who used failure to refresh cached. Okay, let me use another one. So already create already this it is right. So only one key is available. I am going to create one more key. CLI understand. Okay, next give Terraform. Just create access key, secret key. Just download it. First time, right? We can copy it. Second time onwards, it won't work. First time we can copy it. So this is the secret key and download mean text. Copy this one. Go to here. I updated also secret key, access key also. Okay, now try it. Clear Terraform in it. So maybe someone they use many. Which region? I mean same region, right? What's going wrong here? Here Terraform S3 IAM users this user DevOps user credentials. Already I have credential. Okay, that is correct only. Destroy version. I'm using directly here also. That is our wish. Delete all this state file, backup file. Okay, and this is edit. Already available. Just I am adding. Let me check here also. What is this availability zone? One name tag. Okay. Okay. Let's save. Open it. Copy this one. I don't know how many people they are using. Where is chat GPT? Paste it. Who are using same account? Avanish, you are also using same account or different account?
I'm not current now. I'm not using that, sir.
Okay. Three Terraform, use key market. Okay, let me try this way. All are same only. No need to worry. Terraform config. So AWS is not installed. What is this saying? Fail to refresh cache credentials. No EC2 AMI role found. Operation error. EC2 AMI metadata exceed number of attempt. I think someone they tried three requests and failed. Someone is trying to log in. Mhm. What about any others? We are using AWS or not? Anyone share your credential? I will connect. Later I will create a Wi-Fi admin. Okay, let me create one more user. DevOps. Sorry. Create. Oh, we don't have permission. Huh? Maybe first check it. For this user, permission is available or not. Permission. Each permission. Cancel. Go to continue. What is this? User, right? Mm, IAM. What is the username? Wait. Users. DevOps user. Groups. For this, administrator access. Okay. Add one more permission. S3. I'm giving full access also. Full permission boundary. Tags. Groups. Permissions. I think I am the user. Admin only they can add it. Mm, Alright, admin acts means everyone they can change it. Anyone, any account can you share? Anyone using? Amount ante amount istadu. Amount not available, right? What about others, sir? You are using or not using? Your account. I am asking your account.
Sir, I shared.
WhatsApp, ah?
No, sir. System only I shared.
Or here, ah?
Screen share. Okay, I will share in WhatsApp then. Okay.
In call message, just you share it. Don't share WhatsApp group. In call message. Here you share it. I need to check with Hemant. Actually, Hemant only admin for that account. Shared Subbu? Okay, got it. Then, let me log out here. Wait. 316. Password share to my WhatsApp group. Super. Hello?
Yes, sir. I shared here. No problem.
So I am user admin.
Admin.
Hmm, okay. Do you have access key, secret key?
Yes, sir.
ఆల్రెడీ నీకు $157 వచ్చేస్తున్నది. Remaining days 160 credits remaining. Okay. Remaining days 168. Okay. So you are in Mumbai region. Okay. Let me create one user quickly. Or I am checking IAM. I need access key, secret key. If you have, share me. No need to create a new credential. We can use existing one. Only one user. IAM user, admin user, and security credentials. Already you created two access key. Already I have. If you possible, share a secret key. Subbu. Subbu, రెండు keys create చేస్తున్నావు already.
Yes, sir. I'm checking. Wait, sir.
Okay. Give anyone. This one or this one. Already we have two keys. 9 days ago you created one key. 3 days last used 3 days. Last used 8 days. Give me one secret key. Enough. So parallel also you can try it. Already if someone connected laptop, you can also try it parallelly. So extra what we need to do? We need to add this thing enough backend key. This is the key name where you want to maintain key and region where you want to maintain which region and what is the bucket name. That's it. So same thing I'm going to configure in Subbu user also.
Sir, I sent.
Okay. This is my go-to here. I'm using this one. Okay. And this is the key. Okay. Hmm. And which region? I'm going to US East. Okay. Now go to here. Go to here. Where is this? I'm go to here. US East one. Wait. Okay. So this I am EC2. Okay. I go to the US East one. Why I'm coming to US East one means I'm not going to change anything. This script and all I'm not going to change anything. Just I'm creating a same naming convention. Copy this one. Go to here and go to S3. Click on S3. Click on S3. Just create one bucket name. Create one bucket. Already this is bucket available. Delete Subbo. If you're not using, delete it. Okay. Otherwise waste, right? Okay. Bucket name. I'm giving and so enable versioning. That's it. Remaining things no need to do anything. Create bucket. Already bucket name available, right? I'm using 1, 2, 3. Okay. What is the bucket name? This is my bucket name. Copy this bucket name. 1, 2, 3. Just go to here, paste it. And what is the folder I created development. So go to here under 123 create create folder. What is the folder name? Sorry, that's it. And we are also same. That's it. Okay, now save my file, save it, and where I'm in desktop Terraform class. Desktop Terraform class only. I am also desktop Terraform class and dir and remove existing and I'm going to remove Terraform class desktop already deleted. Just run it. Terraform init. ఎంతమంది షేర్ చేశారు సుబ్బు సేమా
Only sir and me.
your maximum number of attempts 3 exceed maximum number of attempts refresh cached credential. 1 second, I will clear my cache. I will reconnect it. Okay, hold on it. Okay na?
Okay.
Okay. Meantime, I'm copying this one. Control window on notepad. Just paste it. Admin password. Let's check it whether bucket is created or not. So go to S3. Okay. So this is my bucket name and this is my folder name. Under folder we need to maintain. We need to maintain the our state file. See here, clear Avanish. Now go to here, go to particular path. Just go to here, Terraform init. Wait, I'm going to delete this all these things. Already I'm using many things, right? Let me delete this one also, or else it is confusing. Okay, escape. Leave it. Yes. Now try it. Same folder I'm using, right? That is maybe Terraform init. Let me create new folder. We'll check it. Where I'm using exceed maximum number of attempts. 3 requests failed. Now copy this too. So first we'll use right now we are using hard coding, right? We'll change via configuration. So first how to install ChatGPT. We need to install AWS CLI in Windows machine. How clear cache, everything gone. Okay. How to install AWS CLI in Windows machine. Windows. So click on this one, copy link. Just I'm installing the AWS CLI in Windows machine. Here nothing. So if I type here, I don't have AWS CLI. Go to here, AWS configure. See here, AWS is not configured in our. Just I'm installing the package, Windows machine. That's it. Go to here, download it. Okay, go to folder. Just install it. Why I'm installing so this AWS CLI, right? Now my script want to connect so S3 bucket also. We are giving some roles, right? Role concept access roles. How we are giving roles, permissions, policies. As of now, I am using hard coding. Directly, I am using access key, secret key. Directly, I am creating instances and all. Now, I want to connect with my S3 bucket, and so from my local to it is uploading my file to S3. So now I am going to install the AWS configure. Just only one command, and we need to give your access key and secret key. That's it. So this is the way how to give. So first we need to install. Once that is done, just check it. Next, we need to give this command AWS configure command. It is asking access key and secret key. That's it. Nothing. Okay, finish. Now close this existing prompt. Again, open same prompt. CMD and AWS. Just type AWS. AWS hyphen version also we can check it. Okay. Now see here AWS CLI 2.28. It is installed. Now, what is the next command? We want to configure our credential. Which command? Next command? AWS
AWS config.
configure. Just copy this one. Go to here. Just paste it. So what is the access key? What is the access key? Copy this access key. This is my access key. And just paste it here. And what is the secret key? Just I am copying my secret key. This is my secret key. Paste it here. Now default region name US East hyphen 1. Okay. And what is the default output format? If you want to, we can give JSON. Default format JSON. That's it. Clear? Anyone any doubt here? Already know this and all how to install. So just install the AWS CLI command line interface. Once installed, just execute this command. AWS space configure. Just add your access key, secret key and all. Now try it. What is happening? Okay. What is the command? Terraform. Before that, we need to update the script also, right? Where is that? This one. And this and all no need. Hash. Just I'm using. Or else we can remove. Right now I commented. And also I'm using one more command we need to add. How to configure, just check it. A profile equal to default, set it. Now we configure profile, right? Profile equal to default. That's it. Now try it. Terraform init command. Now error changed, same error. Now change, right? S3 bucket does not exist. Which region you are in? Hmm. Now it is connected, but it is showing existing failed to get existing workspace S3 bucket Terraform. This is not available. Hemant, that is related to credential. Which region credential? Maybe Mumbai, right? Let me create Mumbai region. Go to here. Hemant given credential. Maybe that is not related to North Virginia. Okay. Here is Mumbai. Let me create one bucket. Okay. It is showing. See here. Not finding a bucket name. Click on here. My net is slow. Little bit. It is spinning. I mean North Virginia. Let me delete this one first. No problem. Or else there I need to change it. Not empty. Make it empty. Type permanent delete. Copy this one. Paste it. And okay. Now go to here. Mumbai. Okay, right. Now I'm in Mumbai. Click on here. Bucket. Mumbai correct one, right? Now create a new bucket. Alright, it is available. Mumbai on, right? What it is here? Check it here. Oh, sorry. Free. It is available. Let me try it. Already available. This is the AP South one. What is region? It is created in US is consequence. AP. AP South one. AP South one. Bucket name? This one wrong. Okay, go to here. SS. Delete. Delete. Okay. Now go to here. Create new bucket. Okay, it is coming North Virginia. I need to go Mumbai. Mumbai region. Okay. Bucket name. Mumbai. Just I'm giving naming convention Mumbai. Just enable versioning. Okay, create bucket. Correct one, right? Mumbai. So now copy this bucket name. Copy this bucket name. Go to your script. Go to your script. Just update your bucket name. What is my bucket name? Terraform. hyphen Mumbai. Next, this is the AP South one. Next, we need to create dev or whatever you want. Same, I am giving a folder also. So click on this. Function how. Let me change this one also. Okay. Hmm? Okay, got it. Now copy this one. Go to here, create folder. Whatever name you want, we can give it. This and all, your wish. Just anyway, I configure it. That is the reason I am giving same naming convention. Okay, done. Under development. This is the folder. This is the bucket name. So what is the bucket name? This is my bucket name. Under bucket, this is a folder. Here I want to maintain my Terraform.state. Now everything correct on right? Anything missing? Now I think this is also we need to update. This is not availability zone. Here also copy, paste it. One na one year na. Only one na. One year. Paste, remove this one. And ID also we need to get it. So easy to just copy that AMI ID. Mumbai region ID. So click on running instances, click on launch instance and launch instance, copy ID, AMI ID. Okay, this is the previous one, that is US. Now I updated to AP South. Okay, now this and all no need, don't confuse here. Now I configure, so profile,
So
default
instant
location.
type
Which one?
instant type T2 sub, but it is T3.
T2 micro, it is available or not available? T2 micro. T3 micro, correct. Mic. Okay, now I updated. Anything missing? This and all no need. Remove, don't confuse here. Life cycle also I don't want. Remove it. That's it. Very simple. Now this is done. Let me try. If any error, we'll update it. Availability zone south. Okay. Now just select close this, class this, and try this to edit. Okay, now run it. CMD Terraform init. I think now it should be work. Now network is little bit slow. It will take time. I connected mobile network. Broadband disconnected. So anyone any doubt as of now? Clear, right? So now we are creating one shared location. Under shared location, here shared location means S3. So here just I created one S3 bucket and on folder also. Under this folder, I am going to maintain my state file. For lock and all, we need to install DynamoDB. Once this is done, we'll go that one. We'll see. I hope you got idea, right? Anyone any doubt here? Still, Avanish, Prasad, clear?
Yeah, theoretically clear, sir.
Okay. We need to practice it. Maybe it will take time. So now if you want to make it as lock mechanism. Yesterday local I shown, right? How lock is working. Now my state file is in S3 bucket. If you want to make as locking mechanism, we need to configure Dynamo DB table. So we'll see that one also. Only one line we need to add it. So even if you Google it, we'll get it. So how to make how to make it a stateful as a locking mechanism. We need to create one table. Go to DynamoDB and there is a click on one table. Give table name and it is asking some common path, that is lock ID, and type equal to string. Okay, this is downloaded. Now try it. Terraform validate. So now go and check it whether bucket is created or not. Anyone guess it? Now bucket is created or not?
So bucket is already created, sir.
Sorry, not bucket. File. Terraform file. Bucket already created. My file is available or not? Check it. So where is the path? This is the path. Under this is the no. Do we have any state file here right now?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
Now validation is done. Terraform plan. See here, I am using Terraform plan. So when state file is updating, only one resource I am going to now check it here. Refresh it. There is refresh button here also.
At the top left side.
Don't.
The objects, down.
Just create refresh button.
Yes, sir. Objects written down.
Yes, sir.
Just
Down, down.
down. Create
Above,
upload.
above, above, sir. Above.
Let me refresh it here.
Sir, create up, sir. Save folder is there, sir.
Mhm.
That one.
Create folder. Oh,
That
here.
yeah.
So
Folder.
now you see here, nothing, right? Now I'm using Terraform apply hyphen auto apply. Now only one resource. See here, EC2 instance. Now once that is done, now go and check it here. Internal purpose very important. Mostly they are asking also state file. See here, one resource added, zero change, zero destroy. Now local also state file is available. Now just refresh it here. Hiding, just refresh it. Now see here, got it. August 15, date and time also. Now come to local also. Do we have, see here, refresh. Do we have any state file here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
ఇప్పుడు ఎక్కడ ఉంది నా స్టేట్ ఫైల్? షేర్ లొకేషన్ అంటే క్లౌడ్లో మనం మెయింటైన్ చేస్తున్నాం. S3 బకెట్లో మెయింటైన్ చేశాను. నవ్ గాట్ ఇట్.
Yes, sir.
సో ఎస్టర్డే ఏమైంది, మనకి స్టేట్ ఫైల్ ఎక్కడ క్రియేట్ అయింది, ఎక్కడ మెయింటైన్ చేసాం? లోకల్. కరెక్ట్.
Within the lock.
Local. Now I created one S3 bucket. Now this is the share location. ఎందుకంటే టీంలో మల్టిపుల్ పీపుల్ వర్కింగ్, రైట్? ఎవ్రీ వన్ దే ఆర్ మెయింటైనింగ్ లోకల్ మీన్స్ దర్ ఈస్ నో యూస్. We need to maintain your state file share location. Correct? So now here this is the common location in S3 bucket. Under S3 bucket here we are maintaining your state file. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that's it. Remaining there is a commands available. What is Terraform state and all? Very, very important. And next class we'll see. Terraform state. If you use a Terraform state command, there is a list of commands. So mostly they are asking what is Terraform. Mostly they are asking Terraform show command and so refresh command. There is some important commands available. So next class we'll discuss. Very, very, very important interview purpose. Okay. Now and also lock mechanism. Did I configure any lock mechanism here? No. If everyone okay, I will create lock mechanism. 10 more minutes. Okay. Everyone.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Okay. Now, one more command. So, how to make your Terraform state file? So, lock mechanism means until unless. So, here three resources working parallelly. My Terraform file is available here. First, Hemant, first Subbu is running a command, Terraform apply command, a Terraform plan command. So, if Subbu run the Terraform plan and Rama also, both are running same time. But one guy, at least he press enter, right? At least 1 second or milliseconds. And based on this, until unless first request is completed, it won't allow to next people. Yesterday లోకల్లో చెక్ చేసాం. ఇప్పుడు మనం ఏం చేస్తున్నాం రిమోట్లో హౌ టు కాన్ఫిగర్ లాక్ మెకానిజం. ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు కాన్ఫిగర్ లాక్ మెకానిజం, సో జస్ట్ go to here. There is a one service available, DynamoDB. AWS people, they are providing one service. So what is the service? DynamoDB. Go to here, duplicate. Very simple, only one line. I am going to add it. My network slow, that is reason taking more time. And so we need to add so one more line. We need to add one more line. That's it. So meantime, I'm coming to script. I'm adding here. Next, I will create there. So what I need to do? So I need to add here. I need to add here one more for lock mechanism. For locking. For locking, so we need to for locking we need to add one line. So what is that line? For state locking, right? Stateful locking. Just our understanding. State locking. This is the syntax. What is the syntax? Dynamo dynamo db underscore table equal to we need to give a dynamo db table name. That's it. Only one line. So if you want to make it your state file locking, we need to create one dynamo db table. Just give that table name here. That's it. Now, so now your state is what is this? Maybe my network slow. Can you hear me? My screen is visible.